はい、どうも皆さん、チェンメチャンネルのチェンメでございます。皆さんは元気ですか？皆さんは元気にしているといいですね。じゃあ、今回はですね、僕はこの通用ビジネス日本語という本を読んで、ビジネス日本語のことをちょっとお話ししたいと思います。今日から僕はこの新しいシリーズを始めていきたいと思います。このシリーズの中に僕はこの本を使ってビジネス日本語のことをお話をさせていただきたいと思います。皆さん、ぜひご覧ください。So, hey everyone, this is Chinmay from Chinmay's channel. And from today, I'm going to start this new series. In this series, I will go through this book. The name of this book is Tsujiyo Business Nihongo. Tsujiyo is like practical business Nihongo Japanese. The practical business Japanese. इस बुक में 10 चैप्टर्स हैं एंड हर चैप्टर में प्रैक्टिकल बिजनेस जापानीज का से रिलेटेड सिचुएशंस हैं एंड कैसे यू कैन यूज़ प्रैक्टिकल जापानीज किन किन सिचुएशन में यू कैन यूज़ तो काइंड ऑफ रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल्स और सेंटेंसेस हैं इसमें सिचुएशंस या पैटर्न्स हैं so I'll go through each of them line by line and I will try to explain them to you. So if you will watch this series then you will be able to use those patterns and that business Japanese in those similar situation if you will encounter to those situations. So just keep watching and yeah, let's get started. それでは始めましょう。はい。So I will try to finish this first video in like 15 minutes. So I'm going to start the counter. I mean countdown timer. Then we'll start. So yes, okay. It's not starting. Okay, good. So we will read this preface and contents वगैरह बुक के हम कभी भी ये बाद में पढ़ सकते हैं किसी एक्स्ट्रा वीडियो में बट अभी दैट आर नॉट दोज थिंग्स आर नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट अभी इम्पॉर्टेंट है इसका फर्स्ट चैप्टर 1 को पढ़ना. सो लेट्स गो टू चैप्टर 1. ओके, so chapter 1 is like greetings in business Japanese. This kanji is for aisatsu, this kanji is for show and this kanji is for dai. Dai का मतलब होता है like dai prefix for formal or ordinal numbers. Basically it's nothing, it's just kind of dai ichi like mondai daiichi and chapter 1 and show is like chapter, so dai ichi show aisatsu. The chapter 1 is aisatsu greetings. Jiko shokai shuru, jiko shokai yo suru, doing your introduction or introducing yourself. is kihon kaiwa. Kihon होता है basic, kaiwa is होता है conversations. Kihon kaiwa, basic conversation. So like the situation is like two persons are there and they are introducing themselves to each other. Like this person is kind of junior and this person kind of senior. That's why you can see this person is little like slightly bent हो रहा है यहाँ पे and this person is not doing that and this person is this Hayama-san and this person is Maku Donaruto. So when you will read this Japanese you will get to know that like इस Japanese को पढ़ के आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि who is the junior and who is the senior because in Japanese when you use business Japanese the senior person will not use like Higo, very super polite Japanese towards you, but you have to use the super polite or Higo towards them like honorific Japanese. They will not use it for you but you have to use that towards you. Okay, so yes, so this person is Mark Donardo. So if you can read katakana then it's good because katakana is a bit difficult to read, but yeah. So like Patrico Mako Donardo to Moshimasu. Dozo yoroshiku onegai itashimasu. So this Moshimas is this tho is to mark something. Like if you know N4, N5 or N3 maybe, then you should know that the tho, we use tho to mark something. Then basically here, like this is sentence pattern, you can remember this. अगर आपको इसको logically नहीं याद करना है, so आप इसको ऐसे याद कर सकते हैं कि tho Moshimas is basically just your name, and then tho Moshimas is a very polite or business Japanese pattern to tell your name to somebody, like Patoriko Mako Donardo to Moshimasu. Dozo yoroshiku onegai itashimasu. Yoroshiku onegai itashimasu, like please be nice to me, or please be nice to my request, whatever it will be. Dozo, it's like go ahead. In Japanese, dozo we use in many situations, like when someone say, can I ask you a question? Then we say, hi, dozo. Dozo, like yes, please go ahead. So dozo yoroshiku onegai itashimasu. It's a very polite phrase to say. So Patriku Maku Donaru to Moshimasu, dozo yoroshiku onegai itashimasu. Then Hayama-san, this person will say, Hayama desu. Kochira koso, dozo yoroshiku. This is like senior kind of thing. तो यहाँ पे senior ने जो बोला जैसे Hayama desu. Kochira koso, dozo yoroshiku. And this Patriku Maku Donaru to Moshimasu, dozo yoroshiku onegai itashimasu. So you can clearly see that the junior version is bit long and the senior version is bit short. Those are your yoroshiku. Okay. Then hajimete atta toki no kimari monko. Like meeting someone for the first time. Hajimete is first time atta toki, when you meet, no kimari to decide it, or monko is a situation or word. In this case it will like monko. अगर मैं आपको exact translation दिखाऊं, so it's like this kanji is for bun, this kanji is for mukao. It's monk, complaint, grumbling, objection, phrase, words. Whatever I said, phrase. Okay. So hajimashite. The meeting was very first time. The first time we say milte hain, then you can use this kind of phrases like hajimashite. Kato desh. Kato is like this is a kanji of someone's name. Kato to moshimasu. Akino desu. These again same ही patterns हैं. Just Tomoshimas, Hyundai ko. Okay, this is new. Like it's not polite, but you can tell someone that please call me with my name, then your name, then Tho Hyundai kudasai. This again, Tho is we use Tho to mark something, to make something in double quotes. Like Debo, let's is it Dave. In English, it's called Dave. D-A-V. It's like Dave. तो डेव तो योंदे कुदासाई. इस इनका नाम है डेविड डिक्सन. लाइक दे ई बी दो डिक्सन. सो डेविड डिक्सन तो मोशिमस. डेव तो योंदे कुदासाई. प्लीज कॉल मी डेव. इन इंग्लिश डेव, इन जापानीज डेव. योरोशिको ओनेगाई इताशिमास. दोजो योरोशिको. योरोशिको ओनेगाई इताशिमास का एक फ्रेज और होता है, दैट इज योरोशिको ओनेगाई शिमास. योरोशिको ओनेगाई शिमास. एंड अगर मैं इसको लिखूँ, then yoroshiku onegai shimasu and yoroshiku onegai itashimasu में डिफरेंस है कि this is basically this is kinjogo and this is teineigo. Kinjogo is we use for seniors, that is honorifics language, and this is basically humble language. So this is super formal, this is formal. So yoroshiku onegai itashimasu. In business scenes you have to use yoroshiku onegai itashimasu. Why this is not decreasing, like ये हर बार इतना ही हो रहा है. Maybe इसको ऐसे ही रहने देना है शायद. I don't know. I'm using this first time. No. I don't want to do that. Okay, how to do? What did I? What is this? I don't know how to get rid of this. Okay, just close that. Yeah, okay, fine. It's fine. Let's not worry about that. So okay, so humble honorifics. Then we come to dozo yoroshiku. I told you dozo yoroshiku. Then the second section is shanai no hito ni shokai jiku shokai suru. Shanai is like the people of your inside group, like company के अंदर के जो लोग होते हैं, shanai. It's this kanji of sha, like sha is company. Okay, then and this kanji came from naiyo. Naiyo is content. So company का content is like basically kanji से आप you can understand. So company के जो group के जो लोग हैं, like your group like colleagues, yes, you can say colleagues, जो लोग साथ में काम करते हैं, that is shanai no hito ni shokai shuru, jiko shokai o suru. Introducing yourself to members of your in group. Okay, この度こちらにお世話になることになりました。マークドナルドと申します。इस लाइन का मतलब होता है खोनोताबी is okay this time खोनोताबी this occasion at this time now. So खोनोताबी इस सिचुएशन में, क्योंकि यहाँ पे इसके बहुत सारे मीनिंग होते हैं like this occasion at this time and now. So basically खोनोताबी का यहाँ पे जो इसका जो एग्जैक्ट ट्रांसलेशन होगा that is now, like now. こちらにお世話になることになりました。マクドナルドと申します。यहाँ पे he used こちらに, こちら is ここका जो polite version है, ここ is here का preterite is こちら。こちらにお世話になる。お世話になる is like お世話になる is like to become, to serve to someone. सेवा का मतलब होता है to serve करना. So ओ सेवा, when because we are using the seva word for the other person to the senior, so we add o. Whenever we use any kind of verb to other person for doing something for other, we use o. Then o seva ni naru koto ni narimashita. There is a grammar pattern in Japanese, koto ni naru. Koto ni naru का मतलब होता है when something is supposed to do or something is decided to do in past. पास्ट में कुछ डिसाइड किया गया था करने के लिए, उसको हम पैटर्न यूज करते हैं कोतो नि नारू. सो ओसे ओनी नारू कोतो नि नारिमाशिता माक्डोनाल्ड तो मोशिमास. I was supposed to serve you here, like konotabi, like from now. You can say from now, or you can say now, or you can say at this time, this occasion now. सबका मीनिंग एक ही है बट स्लाइटली डिफरेंट है. सो कोनोताबी नाओ को चेनी ओसे ओनी नारू कोतो नि नारिमाशिता माक्डोनाल्ड तो मोशिमास. I am माक्डोनाल्डो, जिसको डिसाइड किया गया था यहाँ पे आपको सर्व करने के लिए, ये इसका ट्रांसलेशन होगा. सो कोनोताबी को चेनी नारू कोतो नारिमाशिता. I was supposed to serve you here from now. कोंदोこちらに配属されたKikuchi desu. Kikuchi is just a name. इस kanji का कोई word meaning नहीं, it's just a name. Kikuchi desu. Kondo. Kochirani, again kochirani here. Haizoku is to assignment of a person. Haizoku sareta. Kikuchi desu. I am being assigned, or I was being assigned, or I am assigned here, and my name is Kikuchi. Is like when someone came from somewhere else. Like Haizoku का मतलब होता है Haizoku. Okay, assignment of a person to somewhere. Haizoku. किसी का कहीं और से, like it's a kind of transfer. So I am the one who is transferred here. Kondo. Kondo is like this time, now, recently, lately, the other day, next time, another time, shortly, soon. तो इस सिचुएशन में इसमें जो सबसे बेस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट मीनिंग है दैट इज recently or lately. So kondo kuchi yani recently here haizoku sareta kikuchi desu. Recently, like I'm transferred here recently, Kikuchi desu, and my name is Kikuchi desu. Somehow Kikuchi is senior because he is using this. Like you can recognize like this कि किसने क्या यूज़ किया, उसके हिसाब से you can recognize कि वो केंजो को या सोंके को या थीने को क्या यूज़ किया है, तो वो किस लेवल पे है वो हैं. Okay, then, これから一生懸命頑張りますのでよろしくお願いいたします. This person, whatever person saying this line, that person is somehow junior or the new person because he is using これから一生懸命頑張ります. 一生懸命頑張りますका मतलब होता है I'll do my best. I'll do my best. जहाँ तक मैं कर सकता हूँ. This kanji is from life. And 頑張ります is to do work hard. So 一生懸命頑張ります. I will do my best. これから from now 一生懸命頑張りますのでよろしくお願いいたします. Again よろしくお願いいたします. He is using kenjogo. Kenjogo is we use like for that other person to give respect to them. तो इसका मतलब होता है keigo. And keigo is like kenjogo is keigo. and Keigo is honorific Japanese, so somehow this person is junior. Then the next person is saying that Kenkyu Shitsu is laboratory. Kenkyu Shitsu no Cristino, like Cristino, like Martin, like Marutan, Cristiano Marutan desu. फ्रांसो कारा माइरिमास्ता. Here he used माइरिमास्ता. माइरिमास्ता का मतलब होता है to came, to go. माइरिमास्ता is kenjogo. माइरिमास. माइरिमास is kenjogo. Mairimas. Mairimas is humble kenjogo form. We use it when we talk to our seniors, or in case of we are telling something, we are telling about our action to our seniors. We use kenjogo. That is to go, to come. To जाने के लिए भी यूज होती है माइरिमास, और to आने के लिए भी माइरिमास. So फ्रांस करा माइरिमास्ता. He also can say फ्रांस करा खिमास्ता, but खिमास्ता is थेनेगो. माइरिमास्ता is kenjogo, and somehow this person is also new because he is using kenjogo or keigo. फ्रांस करा माइरिमास्ता. Then again, this is Mike Jonas. Mike Jonas です。出身はアメリカです。アメリカ。出身 is like origin जहाँ आप like जहाँ के रहने वाले हो. आप कहाँ के रहने वाले हो? Like 出身。出身はアメリカです。日本語はあまり上手じゃないんですけど、これから頑張りますのでよろしくお願いします。This person basically इस person ने बड़ी formal और बहुत casual Japanese use की इस business scene के according, because 日本語はあまり上手じゃない。上手じゃない is very casual way to say like 日本語はあまり上手じゃないんですけど、これから頑張りますのでよろしくお願いいたします。よろしくお願いします。So this person Mike is very his Japanese is not good, so that's why he used this. So yeah, इसमें कुछ है नहीं explanation जैसा like is totally fine. So next thing is shagai. Shagai is this kanji is again for the company's kanji is for soto, outside. So shagai no hito ni shokai, jiku shokai suru. Introducing yourself, members of your out group. Nihon kokusai is like Nihon kokusai tsu u shou eigyo. Nihon kokusai tsu shou eigyo. Japan international trading business इसका मीनिंग होता है. This is here. Nihon kokusai tsushio eigyo. Japan international trade business. Japan international trade business no sanka no hachira desu. Hachira's name. Sanka no is level. Ka is level. This is the something we section, division and department. The level in company के जो divisions होते हैं, जो levels होते हैं, उनको हम define करते हैं का की kanji से. तो sanka no hachira desu. 日本株式会社営業以下の、is like this is a name. kanji इसका reading है I think 加藤と申します。Okay. So 加藤と申します。ADF から参りました。Again 参りました。is to come. 近情語 ADF から参りました。ADF から参りました。is パク Yes パクミヨン is パクミヨンと申します。この度御社担当御社is 尊敬語 for someone like the partners company, like in Japanese when we want to say your company to other person, we don't say your company, we say onsha. Onsha is like very onsha is sonkeigo to say your company. Onsha your company. Honorific respectful sonkeigo. Always use onsha. Never say anata no kaisha. Anata no kaisha is strictly prohibited here. In business Japanese, you don't need to say anata no kaisha. You have to say onsha. Onsha tanto. Tanto is person in charge. Onsha tanto. Person in charge in your company. So, この度、onsha tanto になりました。Ishii is name. Ishii と申します。इसका मतलब हुआ onsha tanto になりました。is to became. like narimashita became, naru is to become, narimashita became. So onsha thanto ni, thanto onsha thanto is noun, noun ke baad we use ni because we have to use ni particle if we are using a noun with a verb. So now naru is a verb, onsha thanto is a noun, then we have to use ni. So kono tabi onsha thanto ni narimashita ishi to moshimasu. I am Ishi and I am Ishi who became a person in charge in your company from now. Kono tabi. So Nanoru ga osoku natta toki no kimari monko. Nanoru is like oneself, yourself, to reveal yourself. Nanoru, like when you late. Basically इसका मतलब ये to give one's name, to claim, to reveal oneself. इसका मतलब होता है नानोरू का like when you, okay यहाँ शायद लिखा हुआ भी, okay मैंने पढ़ा नहीं. When you are late in introducing yourself, okay जब आप अपने आप को introduce करने में आप late हो गए हो, then you have to say मोशी ओकुरेमाशिता गा, this is name again, Subuchi, Subuchi to moshimasu. I am the one who late, like I am Subushi and I became late. Moshi okuremashita ga Tsubouchi to moshimasu. I am Tsubouchi जो लेट हो गए. मोशी वाके let me show you मोशी का मतलब क्या होता है. Like excuse me. मोशी आगे जो verb है उसका सिर्फ मोशी वाला पार्ट है excuse me when calling out someone. So moshi okuremashita, it's basically a polite way to say excuse me, but it's not that polite. Like then this one is more polite. Sumimasen, osoku narimashita ga watakushi eigyo nika no Tanobe to moshimasu. I am Tanobe of division 2 or from division 2, and watakushi eigyo division 2, business division 2 say Tanobi to moshimasu. I am Tanobi from business division 2. And sumimasen, osoku narimashita ga, excuse me, I became late. This is humble than this. This is like more polite than this. The last one is Meishi o. Meishi is called. Meishi o motte inai toki no kimari monku. Motte inai like when you don't have, when you are not carrying. Motteiru. Like इसका exact translation होगा natural one की when you don't have card, but इसको अगर exactly translate करोगे in Japanese में तो it will become not carrying something. Motte. Motte is motsu. And motsu is an N5 word, and this to hold something, to carry something, to own something, to have something. Okay. And mottenai, no, Mishio mottenai toki no kimari monku, when you don't have a business card. Then how would you say that you don't have a business card in business Japanese? So in business Japanese you can say moshiwake arimasen ga. Moshiwake arimasen का मतलब होता है excuse me, and moshiwake is like kind of excuse. Okay, I don't have any excuse. Moshiwake arimasen ga, I don't have any excuse, but tadaima meishi o kirashite orimashite. Kirashite orimashite is a verb to run out of something, like kirasu, to run out of something. Kirashite orimashite. Orimashite is replacement of imas. So like it's like kirashite imasu. So in Kenjogo kirashite imasu का replacement होता है orimasu, and orimasu का te form होता है orimashite, and we use te form when we express some reason, when we show some reason we use te form of verb. और यहाँ पे वर्ब के ते फॉर्म का पोलाइट वर्जन लाइक वर्ब थाबे थाबेरु का ते फॉर्म होता है थाबेते, बट थाबेते इज इनफॉर्मल ते फॉर्म. जब फॉर्मल ते फॉर्म इज थाबेमाशिते. सो ओरु का इनफॉर्मल ते फॉर्म इज ओत्ते, which we don't use, never ever. We use orimas or orimashite. So kirashite orimashite. It's like continuous form. In Japanese, we always use continuous form in some situations, like I forgot something, like wasurete imashita, I was forgetting something. I forget something. वासुरते इमास, I'm forgetting something. That's why किराशिते ओरिमाशिते, अभी मेरे पास कार्ड नहीं है और वो कार्ड नहीं होने की स्टेट ऑनगोइंग है. लाइक ऑनगोइंग स्टेट है, कार्ड नहीं है और कार्ड नहीं है वो स्टेट कंटिन्यू है. सो किराशिते ओरिमाशिते, आई एम रन आउट ऑफ कार्ड. सो किराशिते ओरिमाशिते मेशियो. Tadaima is like now. It's again a polite version of saying ima. Like now it's tadaima. So moshi wa ke arimasen ga tadaima meshi o kirashite ओरिमashite. देन सिर्फ ओरिमश छोड़ के यहाँ पे छोड़ दिया. लाइक तो इट्स लाइक ये अपने आप में हम्बल है. ओरिमashite, द फॉर्मल फॉर्म ऑफ थे फॉर्म ऑफ एनी वर्ब इज वेरी हम्बल इन इटसेल्फ. देन मोशिवा के अरिमासेंगा से एक स्टेप और ज़्यादा पोलाइट होता है मोशिवा के गोजाइमासेन, बिकॉज गोजारू इज द खेगो ऑफ आरू. सो मोशिवा के गोजाइमासेन मीनिंग दोनों का एग्जैक्टली सेम है, बट मोशिवा के गोजाइमासेन इज मोर पोलाइट. सो मोशिवा के गोजाइमासेन चोत्तो मीशिगा मियातारिमासेन नोदे. अगेन नोदे इज टू टेल रीजन. बेसिकली यहाँ पे हमने रीजन बता के छोड़ दिया. इसके आगे वी डोंट नीड टू से एनीथिंग. Like it's a you can say it is a style of saying something in business Japanese when you are admitting something and you are feeling sorry. So miyatari masen no de, miyataru is a verb to not found, to be found. So miyatari masen is to be not found. Miyataru is a very, you can also say mitsukeru is like to found something or to find something, or mitsukaru is to be found something, but mi ataru is formal verb, so we have to use mi ataru. So chotto meishi ga me atarimasen node. So the complete sentence is moshi wa ge arimasen ga tadaima meishi o kirashite orimashite. और अन्य सेंटेंस कहते वक्त आपकी वॉइस टोन में एक हम्बलनेस होनी चाहिए, एक पोलाइटनेस होनी चाहिए. लाइक हाँ मोशिवा के गोजाइमासेन गा चोत्तो मेशी गा मियातारिमासेन नोदे होंतो नि मोशिवा के गोजाइमासेन. यू कैन से लाइक दिस. सो आई होप मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया अच्छे से, और आई थिंक 15 मिनट से ज़्यादा हो चुका है. सो आगे का चैप्टर विल स्टडी इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर, नेक्स्ट वीडियो, वट एवर यू कैन कॉल इट. सो या दिस वॉज ऑल. इसको यू कैन प्रैक्टिस, यू कैन अगेन यू कैन वॉच दिस वीडियो एंड यू कैन गो थ्रू दिस, एंड आई विल अटैच दिस फाइल का लिंक, और मे बी इसको मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में कॉपी पेस्ट कर दूंगा. सो यू कैन टेक दिस एज ए हेल्प. ओके. So okay, じゃあ今日の動画はここまでです。じゃあ次の動画でまた会いましょう。はい、それまで気をつけて。今日もこの動画をご覧くださって本当にありがとうございます。よろしくお願いいたします。はい。